All right, hey, what's up, yo? Guess what? Philly's favorite church, Emmanuel Christian Center, ECC. We just moved into our new building. We have a lot of renovations we need to do.